Hello, Kevin. I'm feeling a little bit low today. Summer's nearly over. How are you feeling? Kevin! Kevin, you're being very rude. Kevin is ignoring me. Kevin! Is Kevin pretending not to hear me? Kevin!
The present progressive or continuous is used to express an action that is happening right now. Right now, Kevin is listening to music. Pat is trying to speak to Kevin, but Kevin is ignoring Pat.
Kevin! Kevin! Kevin, I am talking to you. I am following Kevin. I am shouting at Kevin. But still he doesn't hear me. Kevin! Kevin! Kevin!
Notice how we use the verb to be and the ing form of the action verb. Pat says, Kevin, I am talking to you. He is following Kevin and he is shouting at Kevin. But Pat and Kevin are not listening to the music together because Pat doesn't have earphones.
Kevin! Kevin! This is getting really boring. One more time. Kevin!
Pat, why are you shouting at me?
Well, Kevin, I am shouting at you because you're singing and dancing and you are ignoring me.
No, Pat, I'm not ignoring you.
No?
No, I'm singing and dancing to the music with earphones in my ears.
You're listening to music with the earphones in your ears?
Yes. You try.
Okay.
Pat? Pat? Pat's singing and dancing to music with earphones. Now we're both hearing the music.
Now Pat and Kevin are singing and dancing and listening to music together. What are you doing right now?